Chess, Rooks Keep, Fritz For Fun 13, Regimental Chess, Urja, Tabletop Simulator, Tactical Genius Online, AoF Chess Club 2, Board Defenders, Chinese Chess / Elephant Game, Xiang Kai, Gigachess, Chess 2, the sequel, Mind Games, Warhammer 40,000 Regicide, Knights, Tatsu, CheckThis Mate, Placement, 3D Chess, Race of Zordan, Pure Chess Grandmaster Edition, Battle Chess Game of Kings, Simply Chess, Chess Ultra.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.